Hey, how's it going? Just wanted to give a update on the car, kind of show everybody where I'm at with it. I haven't really documented much, just because it's extra time and stuff. Just finished almost all the electrical. I still have a couple things left, but just kind of want to show off what I've done so far. Everything, I've tucked all the wires, ran them through the intake, hid the line lock through the fender well, goes through the body and all that stuff. Wanted to kind of hide as many wires as I could. I have I don't know if you can see this. I'll show more when I get in the car. I don't have the dash in yet, but I just finished all the electrical. Except for the nitrous, I still have that to do, but the only wires in this car is the wires it needs. I have everything updated, where they're going and where they're coming from. Everything has like a quick disconnect on the wiring so I can pull the dash out easy if I ever needed to. I just thought it might be a nice little feature. Finished the wiring back here. Now I did something different that most people don't do. I don't know, I'm sure somebody will have an opinion on it, but I did want to run this at chassis ground. I just ordered one too short, but basically what I did, instead of running wires back here to the grounds and to the battery, I ran a positive and a negative all the way up from the battery. And then I have my fuse box here. I'm not quite finished. I have a couple more accessories I'm going to add to it. But power comes up from the battery and goes to these power blocks. And same with the ground. It goes on the other side of the ground. I don't know if you can see in there or not. Probably not. But I wanted to hide all the wiring and stuff behind the dash here. I made a dash plate. Goes on the roll bar. So everything, I tried to keep it nice and neat and labeled for troubleshooting anything down the road. I just have my nitrous to finish up, but I wanted to show kind of my layout and stuff before I cover it up. Now with this dash, there's a part here I'll be able to get through and adjust all these chips and adjust the launch control and all that stuff. All the powers, everything with different voltages are all separated, so there won't hopefully be any issues with that. One of the wires from the battery comes up here, and this is also like another shut off, so it'll kill power in the whole car. And then from that switch, the rest of it goes up to those power blocks. Something different. I thought I'd try it, see how it works. I don't want to have any ground issues or power issues, so I'm hoping I did it right. I've had it running for a few times already, and nothing's melted or caught on fire, so that's always good. If you have any questions or suggestions, I'm open to listening to stuff. I'm no electrician myself, so it's been a pretty interesting learning curve. I wire houses no problem, but boy, it's a whole nother ball game when it comes to cars, because there's just so much to it. So anyways, that's where I'm at. The car's almost finished. We have 2 scenes left to shoot in the movie.